Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals come to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about, why is crypto dumping? Looks like we got some positive 21 shares ETF news. What's going on with Donald Trump and the economy out there? And we're also going to be looking at the correlation between politics and crypto right now. And what the heck is going on with crypto? It is crazy. It is boring out there. Let's talk about that. But there is a positive silver lining out there. We're going to be talking about that. And Michael Saylor, he also had something interesting to say about Bitcoin as well. And we're going to be talking about Dogecoin as well. Maduja Wooja, guys. So if you love this content, like I love you guys, don't forget to go and smash the likes. Remember, go down there and type 111 if you love Doge. Okay, I appreciate it. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. So let's freaking get it right now. So we did see that overall the U.S. markets pretty much dumped on Friday. Not a good sign. We did see some earnings also come in pretty bad as well. What's going on right now? Overall, the crypto market is just flat. It's just flat. But we need to talk about the elephant in the room. Why is crypto dumping? What is the real reason? Not the hype reason, not the YouTuber influencer reason to get clicks and this and that. I'm going to be talking about the real stone cold honest facts about why crypto is down. And it's driving people crazy. It's driving me crazy out there. So Bitcoin is down, up a little bit. We're seeing Ethereum is up 1.3%. XRP is up a little bit. The Dogecoin is also up now, 1.23%. XRP 0.94%. So yeah, it's just kind of like range bound. I mean, the big talk of the town is Folks, FLOKS is up 180%. What the heck is Folks? I have no idea. We'll have to look in that next video. But Folks is crazy right now. It's like $14 now. It's $41. Okay, so that just kind of like came out of nowhere. It's crazy. It's crazy. Fear and greed right now is 21. People are in extreme fear again. Remember last month we hit 16. That's like an all-time low, right? So you guys can see we've just been going sideways for the last month. Sideways for the last 3 months. We've just been kind of going down. But for the last month, we've just been fear and greed is just like out there. It's not a good sign. Not a good sign. Interesting though, that the market cap is above 3 trillion, 3.08 trillion to be exact, up slightly. And I think this is artificial. I think that the market makers and the manipulators are making sure the crypto stays around about 3 trillion. That's exactly what I think out there. Altcoin season still not going to happen. Our average crypto RSI, we're still neutral out there. So overall, nothing big is happening. It's just kind of like 1 to 2% across the board, and most likely on Monday it's probably going to dump again, and we're just like in this tight range, very very tight range out there. So let's look at what the heck is Folks Finance. What is Folks Finance? Folks Finance. Let's see. What is Folks Finance? Let's see. Folks Finance. The top token unlocks. Folks Finance is a cross-chain decentralized finance DEFI protocol that enables users to supply, borrow, and manage digital assets across the Okay, so it's a DeFi project. Nice. How long has this been out there? Okay, looks like a fairly new project. So this is just something that launched recently. Let's see. Yeah, it's like launched recently in the last. It looks like early November it launched. So interesting. Bitcoin returns negative. Boring. Crypto's freaking boring right now. If you take a look at the liquidations right now, we're seeing pretty much even liquidations across the board. So that kind of tells me that the market makers haven't decided to push things up or push things down. It's just kind of flat. I most likely things are going to probably go down on Monday, Tuesday, midweek. Probably Monday to Wednesday down. Remember, Wednesday is a reversal week. Wednesday, Asia time is reversal. So whatever's happening, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be the reversal. Most likely. XRP 202, that is interesting. Looks like XRP just hit a quite milestone. XRP spot ETFs have crossed 1 billion in AUM, becoming the fastest growing ETF to reach that level since Ethereum. No hype, just steady inflows. What stands out is who's buying. Funds from Canary, Grayscale, Bitwise, Franklin are seeing XRP demand mostly from institutional desks, not retail speculation. So we're seeing, like I said, institutions are picking up XRP ETF. But one of the reasons prices are moving because retail's nowhere to be found. Doge 1390 right now, up 1.15%. So we're still going to talk about why crypto is dumping. Doge is currently ranging within a broader downtrend. Price continues to face pressure from 15.3 to 15.5 resistance zones, keeping the structure bearish. This recent bounce from 13.4 looks corrective with low volume, suggesting weak buyer conviction. The 14.50 area stands out as a key order block, potential reaction zone. Rejection here could trigger another down leg. Yeah, I think we're just going to keep just going sideways, guys. That's what I think. We got upward pressure here, around here, around 15 area resistance, and then we've got this 14.5 here. If we can't get past 14.5, well, we can see a rejection. But I think Doge is just going to go sideways, like the rest of the market is happening. So here's the elephant in the room. Okay, let me make it very clear. Here's the real reason. The real freaking reason why Bitcoin and crypto are down in the last 24 hours, based on the latest market data and news, okay, with verified sources, okay, all these sources are verified. Short-term price liquidations. Bitcoin has fallen 2 to 3% in the last 24 hours, trading near 90K, okay? As Bitcoin dipped below key levels like 91,000 and 90, many leveraged long positions were automatically liquidated, which pushes prices further down. So one of the reasons things are going down is because of leverage. It's always about leverage, right? Because that's how market makers take their liquidity, is by liquidating leveraged positions. That's it. That's how the exchanges take money out of the market. That's how exchanges take your freaking money, right? In crypto, when prices fall quickly, exchange systems close risky bets, liquidations that magnifies a downtrend. So exchange systems close. This is key. So if exchange systems close risky bets, it means they keep your money, they take the liquidity. So it's in their best interest, if they want to make money, to basically push the crypto market in the opposite direction where most of the leverage is at, okay? You understand that, okay? So the system is broken, right? Market sentiment. Crypto traders get nervous about risk assets overall, especially after disappointing signals from tech and AI parts of stock markets. So we've seen tech stocks, we've seen AI stocks go down. When risk sentiment drops, speculative assets like Bitcoin, altcoins often fall as investors move to safer assets or cash, okay? So when people are scared, and they see parts of the stock market, particularly tech and AI, dump, this has an overall spillover effect to crypto, right? That's what happens. And then people sell, they get out, and they buy USTD or they buy cash or gold, okay? So also, macro interest rate expectations. Even though the Federal Reserve, as we know, cut interest rates, traders had already priced this in early. Because remember, prior to the rate cuts, we already knew 89% that we were going to have the rate cut. So it was baked in. When the event didn't push price higher, many took profits and sold. So when the actual event happened and prices didn't go up, people said, okay, I'm taking my profit. Okay, this is buy the rumor, sell the news reaction, and this is common in markets when expectations exceed reality. Okay, so that's what happened. So also broader crypto pullback, not just Bitcoin, most cryptos, Ethereum, XRP, Doge, Solana, etc., are also trading lower or weaker. This broad decline shows systematic weakness rather than a single coin problem. Okay, so it's a systematic weakness. It's not a Dogecoin problem. It's not that XRP problem. It is just systematic, okay? Profit taking after the recent run-up earlier this year, some traders are choosing to lock in gains that selling pressure can push prices down. And don't forget, we got Bitcoin crypto harvesting now, right? So people need to sell at a loss and then buy back. That way they can reduce their taxes. So that's kind of the reasons, right? The top reasons why crypto is crashing, right? Is dumping. So it's not rocket science, okay? So let me just summarize, okay? Crypto is down now because short-term liquidations of leverage traders, weak risk appetite in markets, sell the news reaction after anticipated Fed news, broader market pullback across assets. There are short-term technical and sentiment factors not always linked to a single big news event, okay? So it's not one event, it's a continuum of events that is making crypto go down. All right. So good news. Looks like 21 shares XRP ETF began trading on CBOE on Thursday under the ticker TOXR, becoming the fifth spot XRP product to receive exchange approval after Ripple Markets seeded the fund with 100 million XRP. Nice, right? Pretty good. But it didn't have any impact on crypto. Why is that? Well, that's because of sentiment, right? Will Japan's rate hike hit Bitcoin? It did, right? It did. Post-Bank of Japan hikes have lined up with a 20% Bitcoin drawdowns and with another 25 basis point hike expected in December 19th. Markets have again testing Bitcoin sensitivity to Japan-driven liquidity shifts. So every time we have, rate reductions or rate hikes, in Japan, we often have Bitcoin dumps, right? So let's see what happens. I think we're going to be a little bit more resistant this time. Watch Your Grower. Looks like Justin, SEC publishes crypto asset custody basics for crypto investors. That is good, right? Justin, US TD issuer Tether submits proposal to require Juventus Football Club. Okay, I don't play football, so I don't care about that. Justin, President Trump says interest rates should be 1% lower next year. Let's freaking hope so. Justin, odds of crypto market structure legislation being signed into law before the end of this year is 70%. Okay, 7%. So it's not going to happen, right? So next year, right? Justin, California and other U.S. States sue Trump administration for imposing a $100,000 fee on H-1B1 visa. Are you guys for the visa hikes or not? Let me know. I think I support it. We need to, get all the riffraff out, right? Justin, OCC grants conditional approval to Ripple, BitGo, Fidelity, Digital Assets, and Paxos to become national trust banks. So this is cool, right? So yeah, Ripple has got OCC approval and could be a bank, but it's not affecting the price, right? Justin, Vanguard says Bitcoin is still a speculative digital toy. I don't believe it. Justin, 140 billion liquidated in crypto in the past 60 minutes. Ouch, right? Ouch, out there. So we're seeing, gold surpasses 4,350. Nice, that's pretty good, right? Fun fact, 15 years ago, Satoshi Nakamoto disappeared after posting on a Bitcoin forum for the last time. Who is that guy? Anyone have any idea who that guy could be? Justin, 4.3 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options expired today. So a lot of interesting stuff is happening, right, out there. So let's take a look at the structure of Bitcoin. Just going sideways, just going absolutely sideways. Boring as watching paint dry, guys. So yeah, I wish I could hype it up for you. I wish I could we're going to the moon. We're going everywhere. Ooh, but it's not happening. We just have to wait till this sideways doldrum stuff is happening. But yeah, let's see if we can get ourselves back to 100,000. I don't think the bull run is over. I don't think it started. I think the 4-year cycle is kibosh right now. And anyways, I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.